So hello my dear students. So in previous video we have seen how to use Grammarly in while writing an email. So here I today I will be showing you hands-on how to use Grammarly software while writing an email. So as you all know that grammar is very much important while writing an email. So let's understand how to use a Grammarly software and how that software help us to improve our English grammar. So here I have shared already my screen with you all. So here what you have to do is just type grammarly.com. Okay. So on a screen you have to type grammarly.com. So you will get one screen over here. Okay. So you can add it on the Chrome. Okay. Or what you can do is you can just sign in. So I'm just signing in. So for that, it will give you two options, either sign up or sign in. I have already signed in. I'm already using Grammarly. So I have already signed up on that website. So I'm just signing it. So when you sign in, you will get this one page. Okay. So this is my dashboard. Okay. So here I will write new. I will take a new page. So what you all can do here is either you can write here, okay, you can give some title to your document, you can type your text here before you send it, okay. So here I have one one small paragraph I have, so I'm copy pasting that paragraph. So or you can upload it also, okay. So when I copy paste this, it will ask me different questions. It will set some goals for me. First is it will ask me audience. So my audience are general, they are knowledgeable or experts. So I will say my audience are knowledgeable. If you want to keep it as a general, you can keep it general. If you want to keep it as an expert, you can keep it as a expert. But I will keep it as a knowledgeable. Then it will ask what is a formality. So I will say it's a formal. Okay. Then it will ask domain, academic, business, general, email, casual, creative. Okay. So I will say it's a general. Okay. So if you want to make it as an email, then you can write, you can click on the email also. Then we have tone. Tone is neutral, confident, joyful. I will write respectful over here. You can take any tone over here. Then your intent is informal, inform or describe or convince, or you want to tell a story. So I will describe it. Okay. There also you can keep a default setting also, and if you want to change your setting, you can change it, and then I will make it as a done. So accordingly, it will make changes in my draft. Okay, so purposefully I have made few changes so that we will get some idea. Okay, so this Grammarly version has given me 15 suggestions. Okay, so as you all can see here, I have got 15 suggestions over here. So for a worm, it's saying that keep it as a worm. Okay, so if you see over here, see here, uh, correctness, it giving 14 alerts, then the clarity engagement is good. Okay, so it's saying with that our, okay, it's saying that remove error. Okay, then it's saying that today's, so I will write today. Okay, so this is the way alumni from, so I will get the alumni. In the year, remove the space, here it will remove the space and so on. So see here now and currently. So there are two words, they are redundant, yes or no. So I will remove it. So I will either keep now or I will either keep currently, any. Okay. So these are different ways to keep, or these are different ways or suggestions I will get from the software called as Grammar. Okay, so on you all can see this, so I will not make any changes. So this is self-explanatory, right? So it will suggest me if there are some spelling mistake, if there are some comma, if there is a space, anything. Okay, so it will make proper for me. Okay, so I hope you like this software because it gives me lots of suggestions, and also it will help me to work properly. Okay, so this is the one way you can do it online. Also, we can use a Grammarly version uh, for your desktop also. So you will get option. Then you have to click on download it for the desktop. So when you download it for the desktop, you can use for your Word document. Let me share my screen for Word document. Let me stop and again share with you all. So, yes. So this is my Word. Can you all see my Word file now? Okay. So by using this Word file, I can use a Grammarly. At the menu bar, can you see Grammarly here? Yes. Okay. At the word side, we can have the Grammarly version, right? So here I can select this. Okay. And then you can click on Grammarly version. And then you can click over here. Even if you are at home, on this screen also, at the right hand side, you will get the Grammarly. Yes or no? So you can click over here, right? And then I will open Grammarly. So it will show me what are the different changes. So it will tell me what are the different issues. Yes or no? Okay, so there are, as I said, there are 15 issues. So it will show me what are the different issues. Okay, and it will highlight those issues, and then you have to just avoid. Okay, avoid. So you can remove the other word. Okay, in today's and so. So this is the way how you can use a Grammarly software for the Word document. Okay. Also, if you say here, it shows you how many correctness for the correct, how many alerts are there to make it correct. Okay. Then how much data is clear. Also, there are some premier issues. Now, whatever software we have studied till now, those features are available free. Okay, but if you want punctuation, unclear sentences, improper formatting, if you want to select proper words, then you can go for the next premium version, which is paid version. Okay. Also, you can take the help from the expert also, but for that again you have to pay. So these are different functionalities available in free version. Okay, so either you can upload the document, you can check in the Word document. Also, one more thing I want to show you all, while sending an email. Okay, just 1 minute, let me show my screen. Also, when you send an email, at that time also you can use a software called Grammarly. So here I am composing an email. Okay, so let me type here something. Okay. So can you see here? This is called as Grammarly. Okay. So I'm typing something here. So I'm writing something. I'm purposefully I've made some mistakes so that I can show you all. So see here, it's showing that I should be capital. See here, I should use what? THIS, these tutorial. Okay. Then I can remove these two. So this is the way how you can use Grammarly software. Okay. So I hope your concept related with the Grammarly is clear. So I have taught you all how to use Grammarly. Remember, Grammarly is AI based software, artificial intelligence based software, okay, which help us to improve our English or to improve our written communication skill. Okay, so I have shown you all how to use Grammarly while when you upload any document, or you can also check Grammarly software in the Word file. Also, you can check Grammarly software in your while sending an email, while drafting an email. Okay, so thank you very much. I hope you have understood a lot from this video.